crossbow becoming increasingly popular among hunters and target shooters for their power, precision, and ease of use. Enthusiasts value performance, durability, and accuracy without overspending. This guide reviews the best crossbows under $500. List number 1. Ravin Crossbow Package, High-Performance Hunting Bow. The Ravin Crossbow Package delivers a premium experience while staying close to the $500 mark. Built for precision and power, it features a lightweight yet durable design perfect for hunters seeking high performance on a budget. The draw weight and speed ensure accurate shots even at longer ranges, while the ergonomic stock improves stability and handling. Its compact size makes it easy to carry through dense woods. With included accessories like a scope and quiver, it's a ready-to-use package for both beginners and seasoned hunters looking for reliable accuracy at a reasonable price. List number. The Barnett Whitetail Hunter Crossbow is known for its dependable performance and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for beginners and mid-level users. This crossbow features a solid frame with a balanced feel, allowing for improved accuracy and reduced fatigue during extended use. It offers impressive speed and penetration power for hunting medium to large game. Safety features such as anti-dry fire mechanisms enhance user confidence, while the scope provides clear targeting. Overall, Barnett delivers exceptional value with this package, combining affordability, power, and user-friendly design for hunters who want quality without overspending. List number 3. The PSE Archery Coalition crossbow stands out for its customizable features, including an adjustable stock that enhances comfort and control. The dual-string stop system significantly reduces vibration and noise, making it an excellent choice for stealth hunting. Capable of delivering fast, accurate shots, this crossbow is designed for hunters who want both power and precision under $500. Its robust frame ensures long-term durability, while the included scope and accessories provide everything needed for a successful hunt. The PSE Coalition offers a premium feel at an affordable price, appealing to both new and experienced crossbow users. List number. The Killer Instinct Rush 400 Crossbow Pro Package is built for speed and accuracy, achieving up to 400 FPS, making it one of the fastest options in this price range. Its lightweight yet sturdy build ensures smooth handling, while the adjustable stock provides a comfortable shooting position for different users. The included scope enhances precision, making long-distance shots easier and more accurate. Ideal for hunters targeting larger game, this crossbow combines power with ease of use. The package includes essential accessories, ensuring great value for under $500. List number 5. Spiderweb 14XL Small but Mighty Field Point-Only Crossbow targets 500 FPS and a crossbow. Although primarily a target rather than a hunting bow, the Spiderweb 14XL is an excellent companion to any crossbow purchase. Designed to handle arrows flying at up to 500 FPS, this compact target is built for durability and repeated use. Its easy arrow removal feature makes practice sessions more efficient, saving time and effort. While not a crossbow itself, it pairs well with any of the above models, providing a safe and reliable way to improve accuracy. Ideal for hunters who want to sharpen their skills before the season begins.